Morning everybody, Damp Sam on a job in Conisbrough. Now this is an interesting one, so I'm not doing a video for a long time. This is interesting because the woman whose house it is, she's had a lime plaster put on, a traditional lime plaster put on a few years ago because she wanted, she looked it up online. And everybody in forums were saying lime plaster will help the wall breathe and be vapor permeable. So she's had it done. I'm not sure who did it for her, but this is your lime plaster, and it's absolutely wringing wet through. So we're just starting this job. We're going to take it all back off. It's absolutely wet through, and they've put it on all these walls. It's costed a fortune. Took them ages to do it, as it does with lime plaster, and it's got a salt band on it. Now there's an issue outside because whoever's drilled and injected it has drilled and injected it too high, and then on that back wall there's an earth retaining wall. So ground level outside is kind of up here. So we're going to have to put like a waterproofing system on that. I'm not saying, because I don't know who did it, I'm not saying they were lime experts, but the lady whose house it was, what she wanted was a traditional plaster, because she'd been on all these forums, she'd done a lot of research, and the guy that came and did it charged her a fortune, and it's failed. And I don't think they've put a damp proof course in. So there's a lot that says these older houses don't need a damp proof course, they just need lime plaster putting on, and it's a load of bollocks. So you've got to have a damp proof course. You've got to stop groundwater rising up. She's got it on these walls as well. You've got your lime top coat there, it's just disintegrating. This is a bit different. This is a black ash plaster. We've got bonding on that one. And this is where high ground level is outside in garden. Had bridging issues in here. They've hacked that off. But it were all the way down to the floor. So she's got like quite a few different problems, and we're going to do express damp system, stick that in, black it off, get it all prepped, put a DPC in above floor level, some sulphate salts on here. So she's had all different things affecting walls differently, and somebody's just come in and gone, yeah, lime plaster will sort that out, and it ain't. So we're going to fix it for her, and I'll keep you posted what happens as we go along. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye now. So we're on day 3 at this job where lime plaster had been put on and had failed. I just thought I'd show you where we are with Nat Semi. So we've drilled and injected, you just see it above. That's above outside floor level, and now we've put a waterproof render, a thin coat below with its earth retaining, and what we used was Natsem 35, and it's humid today, and it went off quick as out. Now they're saying they've got some retarders Natsem for when warm weather's in, but it's a brilliant product when it's on, but to actually use it, mix it up, it can be hit and miss and a nightmare. So I mean, it's only, what is it, like 2 onboards full to halfway. I got to halfway, and we'd mixed up 3 quarts of the bag, and it had set in tub. Set after, once it was mixed, it had set within 5 minutes. I mean, I'm quick like that, I couldn't get that on. So then we had to mix small amounts up at a time with Keller, and then just stick them on. So yeah, it's a great product, but can be a bit hit and miss when you're mixing it up. And I know they do one that you've got a bit longer way, but I've always liked this product, and I've used other one, and I'll probably get some bags at other one in future, just so you've got a bit more time, I think. So on day 3, Wednesday, got some bits and bobs on. So when we've got it boarded today, it'll be a question of clearing it all out. So we got down here, she got 2 wall-mounted plug sockets. I don't know where they are. So we nicked a wire in corner into the room. So I got an electrician to come out to do a repair on wire. And while they were here, I said, can you put 2 back boxes in? So it's just a lot better for her. She'll have 2 back boxes in. It's just a lot better. So now we just boarding. It'll not take as long to board these bits, and then it'll be prepped for tomorrow. We've got a bit of skimming done tomorrow. I'm in cupboard, Prentice's realm. I've just cut that piece for there. I'm just going to stick that on, and we're good to go. So wire were in that corner. It was weird, it came through, and some at render that were on it were like bell metal, and I think he just slipped with thing. I think he knew it was there, but it just slipped as he was trying to get it off. But these things happen. Right, so that's day 3. I'll show you it a bit later. See you on next one. Bye-bye now. So we've finished that job, and you can look at the pictures online on this video. All finished, apart from tomorrow we've got to just fit a few more skittings, as you can see from picture. Joiner's going to go, there's a bit of scribing to do and stuff like that. So it's all kind of more or less finished. We'll be sending a final invoice to her. And then when she's paid it, she'll get the guarantee. So a quick synopsis on what we've done. So she did a lime plaster put on all the walls because she thought she was doing the right thing. She'd been on forums, people had said, yeah, you need to have a lime plaster. She's had it done. I'm not saying that it was done right, and I'm not saying it were an expert in lime plastering that's done it, but it were a lime plaster that went on, and it spectacularly failed because they didn't put a DPC in it. Now these people that's saying you don't need a DPC, all it needs is lime plaster, and that's a load of rubbish. You've got to have a DPC. You've got to stop any moisture from the ground rising up, and the only way you can do that is to have a retrofitted damp course or a physical damp course. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you've learnt something from it.
And if you have, please like and subscribe. And I'll try and do a few more others. One of the reasons why I haven't been doing loads of videos is because I've more or less covered everything. But when I see something that I think you might be interested in, I'll do a video and I'll show you what we've done. So that's Damp Sam from All Dry Damp Proofing Limited, covering mainly Barnsley and the surrounding areas. See you later.